In this video, I'll show you how to set a custom ringtone for a specific contact on your Samsung device running One UI 8.5. By default, your phone uses the same ringtone for all contacts. But if you want a unique ringtone for someone important, like family or close friends, you can easily set that up. Let's get started. First, open the Phone app or the Contacts app. Now select the contact you want to customize. Tap the iInfo icon or open the contact details. Then, tap the More three-dot in the bottom right corner. Next, tap Change Ringtone/Vibration. Two options available here. Now tap on Ringtone. Here, you'll see a list of all available ringtones, including any custom ones you've added. Select the ringtone you want to assign to this contact. If you want to use a downloaded song, tap the ++ icon in the top right corner. Then choose from Tracks, Albums, Artists, or Folders. If your file is downloaded, go to Downloads. Select the ringtone or audio file you want and tap Done in the top right corner. It will be added to your custom ringtone list and applied to that specific contact. And that's it. Now, whenever that person calls you, you'll hear a unique ringtone just for them. It's easy to set a custom ringtone for individual contact in your Samsung One UI 8.5 device. Thanks for watching.